I'm about to show you exactly how to use AI to start a business that will pay you in your sleep. Now, nothing is ever truly passive. You will always have to put in a little bit of work, especially at the beginning. But with the AI method that I'm about to show you, you won't even have to put in much hard work yourself, because these platforms will do all the heavy lifting for you. So, here's the plan. We're going to create social media pages using AI and then get paid by the social media platforms in different ways, which I'll cover at the end of this video. For now, let's actually talk about the process of how to make the video content for these social media pages. The most important AI platform that we're going to use is completely free to sign up for, and I've linked it in the description box, so be sure to sign up for that right now, and then I'll explain exactly how to use it to make money. Now, the first step in creating your perfect social media page is finding a theme that will really hit people, whether it's tugging at their emotional heartstrings or just being relatable. This is really important because the theme you choose can make or break your content and decide if you go viral or not. Now, I'm not talking about the ordinary niches like fitness or finance. No, we need something special, something that tugs at people's heartstrings like a puppy with big pleading eyes. We're going to do that by using this specific prompt right here on the screen that uses the word good LVT, which is basically how much money a customer will spend on you in their whole lifetime. This prompt is great because it gets rid of the usual boring theme page niches and leaves only the good ones. I've got two golden ideas for you: AI family moments and AI love stories. These untapped AI markets have amazing potential to strike gold, and I'm going to show you how to create short-form pages for them for completely free on platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. What do I mean by this? Think of a page filled with adorable AI-generated family moments that capture the joy, laughter, and love shared among family members. And of course, we can't forget about the power of love stories. This would look like a page dedicated to sharing AI-generated tales of romance where lovers find their way to each other against all odds. These stories will make your audience swoon and believe in the magic of love once again. You can then ask about more specific sub-niches of these two theme page ideas with the prompt like this. From these sub-niches, you can pick one that has the biggest audience. I used Google to find that out myself. A long-distance relationship sounds like a good choice with great potential for growth and high conversion rates for upsells. But we can't just start throwing random images around. We need to design prompts that will make jaws drop, and that's where the AI magic comes in. Let me introduce you to a Chrome extension called AIPRM. It's like a genie in a bottle and helps you generate any image you could think of. Install it, fire up ChatGPT, sign in, and let the creativity flow. Now, remember that link I put in the description? Let me explain it in more detail now. So the key to everything today is Leonardo AI, and this is hands down one of the best AI image generators out there right now. You literally just type in your prompt here, and they will generate images that will literally blow your mind, as you're about to see in just a moment. But first things first, we need a prompt to put into Leonardo AI. So let's go back to AIPRM, and here in the search box, type in Leonardo AI cheek and click on the prompt box. Now, write the keyword for what you want to generate images for. As you can see, here are full prompts that we can use to make incredible images. There are a few of them, and they look great. Now, you can paste this prompt in Leonardo AI, so make sure to sign up for an account if you haven't already. And then, once you're logged in, head over to the image generation section. Copy-paste the prompt in the box, click the Generate button, and there you have it. You'll have 4 images so stunning they'll make Leonardo da Vinci himself raise an eyebrow. Click on the button below the image you like, and then you can download it for free. That's what I love about Leonardo AI, is that there's a free plan available. Midjourney is great too, but you have to pay to use it. That's why I always recommend using Leonardo AI first, especially if you're new and just want to try it out. So now that we've got these amazing images, what do we need to do next? This is when we dive into the world of TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. These platforms are the best and easiest for going viral. I mean, look at this user who got millions of views just by following a simple strategy. We're going to make a heartwarming story about long-distance relationships, the kind that tugs at the heartstrings, and we'll have people liking, commenting, saving, and sharing with others. So now we need to head back to ChatGPT. It's time to write a really good story that'll have people hitting the like button like there's no tomorrow. Use this prompt. Remember, the prompt is going to be different depending on your niche. So this template is not just copy and paste. You need to tweak and tailor it to your needs. What you can do is take my prompt, head to ChatGPT, and say something like this. Please rewrite this prompt for X niche, and just paste my prompt below it. Take the generated story, polish it up, and make it good. It doesn't have to be anything crazy, just something that you think would interest people. But we're not done yet. Now we need a voice to bring our story to life, and for that, we're heading over to 11 Labs. With their amazing free plan, you'll have 10,000 characters, which is around 1,500 to 2,500 words. That's more words than you need in a month. Have a look around this platform and have a listen to the different voices. Once you've found one that you like and that makes sense with your niche, paste the script you generated with ChatGPT and click Generate. Once that's been generated, you can just download it. Now we're coming very close to the end of the video creation process. It's time for us to actually put the images and the voiceover together and edit our video. For this, we're heading over to Canva, an incredible free graphics design tool where you can do pretty much anything. So, search for TikTok and choose a blank template. Upload your stunning AI images, import the voiceover, and start editing like a pro. I won't bore you with the nitty-gritty details about video editing, as you can find a bunch of free Canva video editing tutorials, but trust me, it's simple. Here's the final video I created using Canva.
In the heart of a bustling city, where skyscrapers kissed the clouds and streets hummed with the symphony of urban life, lived two souls bound by an invisible thread of love. Sophia.
Once you've made your video and you're happy with it, just download it. And now you need to upload this video to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. You're probably not going to go viral with your first, second, or third video. The key here is to stay consistent and be smart. This is where most people fail. They'll just make one video, it won't do that well, and then they'll give up. And if you're watching this right now, then I know that you're not one of these people. So here's the strategy. First things first, you need to get very familiar with the whole video creation process that I showed you. It will take a little time the first few times, but then you'll get so used to it that you can make one video in 10 minutes. And then you need to make sure that you upload every single day. The best way to do this is to dedicate one evening or afternoon every week where you make 7 videos. That way, you'll have enough content to upload every day for the week, and you won't have to put in a lot of time every single day. Over some time, once you grow your audience, it's time to monetize. There are many ways to do this. You can sell digital products, create a monthly Substack subscription with long-form AI-generated stories, and you can even sell the images that you use in your videos on platforms like Etsy. The possibilities are endless. Start small, be consistent, and watch your page and opportunities grow. I really hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe for more videos like this.